Welcome to the personal property tour for 117 Den Walk in Buckhaven. This is a move-in condition, beautiful 2-bedroom ground floor apartment. You've got off-street parking with the driveway behind me. You've also got your private access and you've got a beautiful garden to the back. As I say, this is move-in condition. I'm just going to flip the camera and take you on the tour. So this is the property here. So it's 117 Den Walk. So it comes from here all the way down to here, and then that's your private entrance here. As you can see, you've got this lovely front garden to the front, off-street parking, which is a premium. The garden is a really lovely space. Nicely finished. Lovely and quiet as well. It's a great location. So we're going to head into the property. So again, you've got this lovely big walkway up to your property. Fabulous at its ground floor as well, and you'll see as soon as we head into the property it's really done to an immaculate standard. You get that feeling just from the approach of the property, don't you? So as soon as we head into the property we come into the entrance hallway. So you've got this lovely vestibule area, you've got lovely tiling on the floor, nice and bright, lovely window there, which is why it's so bright in here, but it makes it feel really spacious. And then we head into the main hallway. So again, you just get a feeling for the space here, attention to detail. You've got this lovely radiator, you've got this lovely panelling, it really just gives it a nice feel. It's a really great space. We're going to head into the double bedroom. So this is the first double bedroom. It's a lovely size. You've got mirrored wardrobes, as you can see, all the way along that wall. Lovely big window, so it's nice and bright. You've got this nice radiator. But look at that, isn't it lovely? I love the panelling, the attention to detail in the property is fantastic. And if I just head over this way as well, you'll see just how spacious it is. It overlooks the rear garden too. Nice and peaceful. Isn't that lovely? I wish they did smell-o-vision. It smells amazing just with all the candles in here as well. Really nice room. So we head out here, back into the hallway. And then from here we go into bedroom number 2. So this is currently the children's bedroom. As you can see, all these lovely colours. But again, it's a great double. Really is a huge room. So we have bunk beds in here at the moment, as you can see. It's a really nice space. Lovely big window overlooking the front garden. So again, you get that nice peaceful view out to the front. So again, you can see how much space you've got in that driveway. Again, you've got the attention to detail with the radiators. You've got this beautiful built-in wardrobes as well, so lots of storage and shelving. And then we'll head out back into the hallway. And then across here, we're going to the family bathroom. And again, nicely finished, fully tiled. You've got this lovely radiator here as well. Same theme going throughout. Nice size bath. You've got your overhead shower, so you've got your rainfall shower with your thermostatic control. Nice and bright with that big window. But actually what's quite quirky about this one is your wash area is behind here, which I think is great. So it just creates a really good amount of space. So it makes it feel really large and spacious in there. From here, we're going to head into the lounge. And again, instantly you'll see the finish here. So they've got this beautiful media wall, lots of storage as you can see, but it really does create a lovely spacious room. That's a big L-shaped sofa and you've plenty of space in here. You've got your room for your dining table. You've got a nice big double window overlooking the front as well. So as you can see, it's nice and peaceful. Lovely detail with that wall, isn't it? But it's a really nice sized room. Nothing to do in this property at all. Literally is move-in condition. We're going to head into the kitchen. And again, it's a good sized kitchen. Finished to a great standard again, as you'll see. Got beautiful composite worktops, which are lovely. Nice and spacious and bright with that window there. And then you've got the large door. And you've got your integrated appliances within the kitchen as well. So again, you've got your hob. You've got your extractor above. You've got your oven, your microwave. You've got your fridge and your freezer. But lots of worktop space as well. Really is finished nicely. Room for your white goods, your sink area near the window, which is great. Again, you've got that nice detail with the lovely radiators. But again, from here, you just see right down that garden how beautiful it is. Really is a great addition to the property. So you come out immediately, you have this great decking area. Lovely for socialising. You've got a good social space. You've got the adult space up here. So room for your barbecue, your seating arrangement. You've got your access to the side for your bin, so again, really lovely and enclosed. This is a big shed. It's actually split into 2. You access it from both sides. From this first half of it, it's actually a laundry room, so you've got plumbing, electric, everything in there. So currently used as a laundry, and then storage at the rear. But isn't that a lovely space? all you can hear is the birds. So peaceful. So you've got plenty of room for your adult socialising. But the garden just goes all the way down here. It's such a big garden. Genuinely, I think it's taken me about 40 or 50 steps to get to the bottom. It's a huge plot, which really opens up to whatever you need it to be. Obviously, it's a great place for families, so you've got the children's area here, but look how far down the property is. Doesn't it look lovely? So you've got this great space. So this is the personal property tour for 117 Den Walk in Buckhaven, and I think you'll agree it is a beautiful 2-bedroom ground floor apartment, immaculate move-in condition. Suits all age groups really. Could be your first time buyer, your downsizer, your one level living. It offers everything. It's in move-in condition. It's in a great location. So you're literally, if you're a young family, you're 10-minute walk, you're at Buckhaven Primary School. Down the hill you're at Buckhaven Beach, so there's lots to do there. You've got lots of convenience stores, you've got the community centre. They're always doing some arts and crafts and community fun in there as well. You're on the bus route. You're also near the train station, so you're literally 8-minute drive, you're down to Leven. So you've got the Leven train station, that's taking you straight through to Kirkcaldy and Edinburgh without having to change. 10-minute, as I say, 8-minute drive to Leven. You've got the beach, you've got the swimming pool for the kids, you've got that lovely walk along the prom. So much to do social wise. You've got the high street, all the facilities that offers. You've got pubs, restaurants, there's a tapas bar coming soon as well. So much on your doorstep. It's a real community feel. If you're looking at the price point, it is in the post. If you're interested, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. But I think you'll agree this is a beautiful property, not one to be missed. Take care. Bye bye.